This video is for the science experiment that we have conducted online on Zoom meeting for class 6. Here the children have done the activities on homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures and the magnetic separation method. So see the video full and watch it. Children were very enthusiastic while doing these experiments, and they had done it with very joyful way. So they conducted the experiment by their own and were very much interested in it. So thank you children, you have conducted the experiment.